In today's video, I'm going to teach you Claude Airtable connection. Yes, Claude can connect to Airtable, and the most common way to do it is through an API or an automation setup. If you want Claude to read information from your Airtable base, process it, and then send a result back, this kind of connection makes that possible. It's a great setup for summarizing records, generating content, organizing notes, or handling repeated tasks automatically. To get started, you'll first need access to the Claude API, also known as the Anthropic API. This is what allows your workflow to send prompts to Claude and receive responses back. Make sure your API access is active and ready before moving forward, because this is the core connection point that powers the AI side of the workflow. Next, create an Airtable personal access token. This token gives your automation permission to interact with your Airtable data. As you set this up, make sure the token has the correct access for the base or tables you plan to use. It's also important to keep this private and secure, since it controls access to your Airtable workspace. After that, choose an automation platform. You can use a tool like Make, Zapier, N8N, or even Airtable scripts, depending on how much flexibility you want and how comfortable you are with setup. The main goal here is to pick a platform that can talk to both Airtable and Claude in the same workflow. Once you've chosen your automation tool, connect both apps inside that workflow. In other words, you'll add Airtable as the source of data and Claude as the AI step that processes that data. This creates the bridge between your records and the model's response. From there, map your Airtable data into Claude as input. This means selecting the specific fields from your Airtable records that you want Claude to read, such as descriptions, notes, requests, or other text-based content. Clear mapping is important because Claude's output will only be as useful as the information you send in. After Claude generates a response, save that output back into Airtable. Usually, this means writing the result into a new field or updating an existing record so everything stays organized in one place. That way, your base becomes both the source of information and the destination for the finished result. Before turning the workflow on for real, run a full test. Testing helps you confirm that the right Airtable records are being sent, Claude is responding as expected, and the output is being saved correctly. Once everything looks good, you can activate the workflow and let the automation handle the process for you.